All right, Ollie. Come here. Whoop, whoop. Go back, see mommy. Let's see 4 steps. Okay. That's good. Yay! That was awesome. Good job,
buddy.
Yay! You're getting it. You're getting it.
Al, go see mommy. Go see mommy.
Go see mommy. Oh.
Ready?
That's good. Let's see if we can get it down a little further here. Okay, ready? Go get mommy. Oh, whoops.
No. Oh, no.
Did he cry?
Alec, no.
Alec, can you come back and see me? Hi. That's it. Whoa.
It's getting tired.
You're getting tired. Okay, we're all done. You want to try one more time? One more time, like the mommy. Whoa, whoa. Get bounced. All right, one more time back to daddy, and that's it. Are you ready? Come on. That's it. Good job. Good job.